As I said before, in this video we are going to consider manner of articulation of the different consonants. First of all, we find plosive consonants. In the production of these consonants, the air coming from the lungs is stopped at some point in the mouth. Then the air is abruptly released, producing an explosion. So plosives are produced in 4 phases. 1. The closing phase. Number 2. The compression phase. Number 3. The release phase. And number 4. The post-release phase. So, during all these phases, from number 1 to number 4, the air coming from the lungs is stopped. This compressed here, as you can see, inside the mouth. Then the mouth is opened. Yes, this is opened, and the air that was inside the mouth is abruptly released, producing an explosion, like these sounds. For example, p, b, th, t, g, and k. Okay? Let's consider fricative sounds. In the production of these consonants, the air escapes through the narrow space, producing a hissing sound. So as you can see, there is a very little space. So these sounds produce a friction, a turbulence. For example, v, f, v, th, s, sh, and z. Okay? So, because there is a narrow passage, a very closed space for the air to escape, okay? That's why they are called fricatives. After that, we have affricates. And when we talk affricates, we know that these consonants are a combination of a plosive and a fricative consonants. You have a plosive and then a fricative. They are a combination, okay? Because they start with a plosive sound, in this case t, and the end in a fricative one, in this case sh. And the following result is an affricate. In this case we have ch and j, ch and j, okay? Remember, a combination. Nasals, yes? In nasals, the air escapes through the nose. Through the nose. Since there is a velar obstruction stopping the air to escape through the mouth. Yes, you can see here that the air escapes through the nose because there is an obstruction here and the air cannot escape through the mouth. These are the examples and Then we have lateral approximant. In these consonants, the air passes through both sides of the tongue. Since there is a complete obstruction between the center of the tongue and a part of the roof of the mouth. Yes? So the air escapes through both sides of the tongue. Remember that's in a lateral sound. And the only lateral sound is okay? For example, in late. Well, approximant or liquid, in this case, the articulators approach each other, yes, but they approach, okay, each other, but they do not get sufficiently close to produce, yes, or to get the articulators into contact, yes. So that's why they are approximants, because the articulators do not get into contact, okay. The only approximant sound in English is r. And finally, we got semivowels or glides. They are phonetically like vowels because they sound like vowels, but phonologically they are like consonants. In this case, you can see we consider they're consonants, but they sound like vowels. We have g, g, and y, 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 w, w, y. For example, well, well, or in the case of yellow, yellow. Well, so how can we classify, do we classify a consonant? Let's consider the example number 1, p, p. The symbol p, voicing, it's voiceless without vibration of the vocal folds. According to the place of articulation, it's bilabial because the two lips are in contact to produce this sound. And according to the manner of articulation, p is a plosive consonant because the air is prevented from escaping from the lungs because there is a complete or partial obstruction at some point in the mouth. That's why it is plosive. When the air is released, it's produce an explosion. P, p, okay? Well, in this case, specifically of P, the complete obstruction is produced in the mouth, in the lips, okay? Well, that's all as regards a manner of articulation. See you guys. Bye bye.